In this video, I'm going to show you how to post on Reddit. So first, make sure that you are logged into your account on Reddit so that you could create a post. And in this homepage, you could notice here a create post field. So if you click on that, it's going to bring you to the post creation screen, and then give a title and then post a text like that. And the text you could edit with some attributes here. You could put some code block or tables, add images or videos. And also here you have several options to do. You could even post a poll. Now, after that, you could click on post if you feel that your message is ready. Now, another way that you could post on Reddit is to go to a subreddit. For example, this is the subreddit for Fallout. So within this community, you could ask questions, post anything that you like, and just the same, you could write a text in here. And interestingly, in this subreddit, you could only post text. So if you notice, there is no option to add an image or video or even a link. So every subreddit has their own rules. You will just know it when you're there. And that is how you post on Reddit. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.